Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Munib and today we are going to discuss about a new project which name is Orex. It's an exchange and it is a very good and secure exchange. So its trading is very fast. It's a DeFi cashback top-notch applications. This is the best platform with the state of the art technology but built with love for the users. You can also sign up in this exchange. Just click on the sign up option like this and you will see the form is open here. Just put it your email password, then confirm password, and then just click on this option and click on the sign up, and you will get a confirmation link in your email. Just click on that and you will see that your account is verified at that time. So guys, they also have a mobile app in which we can trade payment transfer, and also its usage is so simple, so all at your fingertips. You can also use that. Just click on the learn more and you will learn more about the mobile app of the Orex exchange. So you can also see that this is the card option. Orex offers also the debit card powered by Visa card, Master card, and also payment network that is associated with a user's wallet. It also they also allow their customers to obtain cashback for all their purchase and other everyday transactions. So guys, this is the market. You can also see that it's a BTC USD pair, it's a BCH and BTC pair, it's a Ethereum BTC, Ripple Ethereum, and Ethereum USDT. You can also just click on the view more option and you will see the more options here. So guys, their total active users are almost 200,000, and they have also total crypto purchased almost 75 million plus, and total crypto invested are almost 13 million plus BTC. So guys, for new traders, they build a crypto portfolio with ease. For advanced traders, you can also read more. Just click on trade now. And guys, now we will see that these are the social links of the Orex exchange. So now we are going to log in our account. Just click on the sign up option and you will see two options here. Just click on sign in and then just click on the sign in option here. So guys, now we are signing in our account. So this is the trade section here, so you can buy and sell your coins here. Just put it the price and amount. You can buy and sell your BTC or USDT here. So guys, this is the wallet option. You can also see that these are the coins which are already traded in this Orex exchange, and these are the order option and history option which are empty because still I am not start trading in this exchange. So guys, just click on this option with your profile and just click on the profile, and you can also see your UID here. And guys, if you want to earn some money extra, so just share your referral link with your friends, and when they trade in their account, you will get some commission here. And guys, you can also complete your KYC. Just click on this option and complete the KYC, and also you can enable two-factor authentication. Just click on the enable 2FA and complete, and install the Google Authenticator, and after that you will get the code here. So guys, this is the market option, and if you are going to click on the market option, then you will see that these are the coins which are traded in this exchange. And this is the card option. Just click on the card, and it's a very black card. This is the composite metal card, and it is coming soon. So guys, this is the app option. Just click on the app option and the next generation digital currency app. You can see that this is coming soon. And guys, this is a company option, that in which the section of about, or this is the white paper of the Orex exchange, and this is the contract, and this is the team. So you can also check out the team of the Orex exchange. So this is the cryptocurrency should be seamlessly implemented in the usual life. So these are the team, and this is the engineer Fajid Mohsen and Dr. Bashir Zewdo. This is the founder and chief executive officer. This is the Radu Stephen Mazari, chief marketing officers, and this is the Elena Grasu, chief information officer. So this is the team of the Oryx exchange and Oryx milestones. So you can also check out more details here. This is January DeFi wallet launch, March leverage trade announcement. In April we launch our Oryx payment shop plugins, May paid platform launch, and in June start of the shop plugin development, and in the July the launch of the beta version of Oryx Chain. So guys, this is the legal option, and you can see that in the legal option is a privacy policy, cookies, and now this is the terms of use. So now we are going to the bounty of the Oryx exchange. So guys, this is the bounty of the Oryx exchange. Almost they will distribute almost 200,000 Oryx coins, and one Oryx coin is equal to $1. So its trading is fast and it's a DeFi cashback. So IO is ongoing. So guys, this is the bounty. So these are the social links, and bounty allocation almost $200,000. So Twitter almost 20%, Facebook 20%, LinkedIn 20%, and the translation almost 10%, blog as article almost 15%, and the YouTube almost 15%. So for joining, first you need to report like this format, like you can write here your Bitcoin Talk username, Telegram username, which campaign you are going to join, just like Facebook, Twitter, blog, YouTube signature, etc. And is the spreadsheet number. When first of all you will fill the form, like we are going to fill the form of registration form of Twitter. So guys, this is the Oryx Twitter registration form. Just put it your Bitcoin Talk username, Bitcoin Talk profile link, your Telegram username, and this is the Telegram username, and this is the your Twitter profile link. Just put it your followers numbers like 500 to 1000, 1000 to 3000, almost 10,000 plus. Just click on that option and just put your ERC20 wallet address here, and then click on submit. After that you will come here, and in this form just put it your spreadsheet number. You will get your spreadsheet number in the spreadsheet. So guys, this is the Twitter spreadsheet, and just you can see that here these are the numbers of the spreadsheet. So just put it 15 numbers, 20, 50, which we will get in the spreadsheet here. So just put it in the spreadsheet section, and then just put it your ERC20 wallet address here. So guys, these are the general rules you must to follow or join the group of the Telegram, and the bounty managers and the team reserve the right to make changes to the conditions and terms at any time. And you can more read here about this project. So the project is start from 31 January to 15 February is first week is almost 7 weeks. The end date of this project is almost March 20. So guys, this is the Twitter campaign. If you will get good followers, then you will get high stacks here. So all participants must to join the Telegram group, and you must to follow the Twitter profile page, and you must have at least 500 followers to join the campaign. Minimum 5 retweets and likes per week, minimum 2 weeks per week, only 2 tweets and retweets per day, and you must to use these hashtags in your every post. So guys, I already told you how to fill the registration form, and this is the spreadsheet. So guys, this is the weekly report, week number week number 1, Bitcoin Talk profile link, your number on the spreadsheet almost I already told you, like 15, 20, 80, 100, and these are the tweet 1, tweet 2, and this is the retweets. So guys, this is the Facebook campaign. If you have a good amount of friends in your list, then you will get good stacks in this project in here. in the Facebook campaign, so you must to join the Telegram group, and you also like the Facebook page. You have at least 200 friends to join the campaign. Minimum 5 shares per week, minimum 2 posts per week. You must to add these hashtags in your posts. So this is the registration form, and this is a spreadsheet. So same to same as I already told you that in Twitter weekly report, same to same as the Facebook weekly report, so you can fill also that. So it's the LinkedIn campaign, and you can also read the rules of the LinkedIn campaign. So if you get a good amount of friends here, then you will get a good amount of stacks, like you will get good coins in the LinkedIn campaign. So you must to join the Telegram group, and also follow the LinkedIn page. You must have at least 100 friends to join the campaign, and minimum 3 shares per week, a minimum 2 posts per week. You must to add these hashtags in your every post. So this is the registration form, this is the spreadsheet, this is the weekly report. So guys, this is the article and blog campaign. In article and blog campaign, if you write a good article, you will get good stacks, almost high quality stacks. High quality article will get almost 10 stacks, medium quality article almost 5 stacks, and low quality article will get almost 1 stacks. So these are the rules of the article as blog campaign. So this is the registration form, this is the spreadsheet, and also you guys, also you can join the YouTube campaign. Video must be in English language, and they just accept the English language video. So if your video will get high quality, then you will get 10 stacks. Medium quality will get almost 5 stacks, and low quality video will get almost 1 stack. So guys, rewards will be paid depending on the amount of views that the video gets in the first week of its being posted. So guys, all participants and must to subscribe their YouTube channel, and you must to at least 200 real subscriber on your YouTube channel. The video may contain any constructive criticism about the project. The video must at least 2 minutes long, so you must to make a 2 minutes long video. One participant can submit maximum 2 videos, and stacks will be allocated on the basis of the quality, views, and audience of the video. So this is the registration form, this is the spreadsheet. You can also translate participate in the translation campaign. So Bounty thread almost 50 Orex, and website almost 50 Orex, and the white paper translation almost you will get 100 Orex coin, almost $100. So these are the rules, and using Google translator and the other online translator are not allowed. Participant use Google Translate will be instantly disqualified. Participant must fill the form, and accepted translator will get confirmation by PM or on the Telegram. We approve on translation for one language. Copy and spam post will not counted. All languages are accepted. If anyone have any unique work to do for our project, then first knock us on Bounty Telegram group. This is the registration form, and this is the spreadsheet, guys, for the translation campaign. And guys, this is the example of the proof of authentication, like Bitcoin Talk username, Telegram username, campaign in which you want to participate, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, etc. So this is the spreadsheet. As I already told you how you will check your spreadsheet number. And guys, this is the submit your ERC20 wallet address here. Just I hope you will like my video, and guys, if you have any type of question, then you can ask me in the comment section. Bye bye.